My daughter loves this, especially the one made by my friend on the occasion of Basant Panchami. But this time around, I am ready to give a tough competition with my recipe. Wondering what am I talking about? You already know it, don't you? I will be frying the dry fruits for the halwa. On medium flame, I am heating 1 tablespoon of ghee. The ghee has heated. Adding to this 8 to 10 raisins and 4 to 5 cashew nuts. We will saute this on continuous stir until they turn slightly golden. Make sure you don't burn them. My dry fruits are sauteed. Let's take them out. Time to add in 2 tablespoons of ghee more, and once this gets heated, we will be roasting half cup semolina or Suji. Here I have fine Suji. If you have the coarse variety at home, grind it to a fine consistency. Now, most important, keep stirring it on low to medium flame, or else, just like my daughter, you might end up burning Suji or roasting it unevenly. See, the Suji is roasted. Now goes in half cup sugar and we will mix this well. Time to add 2.5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon cardamom or Elaichi powder. Mix and keep stirring on low flame to avoid lumps. This is where I went wrong when I cooked it for the first time. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. 2 minutes are up. I'll take the cover off. The halwa has become nice and thick. Now goes in half teaspoon saffron or kesar, which I had soaked overnight. Adding to this raisins and cashew nuts that we fried in the beginning. Let's give all this a good mix. As you can see, kesar imparts a beautiful color to the halwa. Lastly, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. My daughter has a love-hate relationship with ghee, but I keep telling her, घी से ही तो असली स्वाद आता है ना? The halwa has got a nice grainy texture. It has started to leave the sides of the kadhai, and this means our kesari halwa is ready. We'll now turn off the flame and serve this warm. Enjoy this as a dessert or pair it up with a fluffy puri. And forget the calories. You can always add extra 15 minutes to your workout tomorrow. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.